3 higher. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Closing price, key level. Higher time frame thesis is looking decent for this. Got a 1, 2. We're getting a 3. Are we in a pullback with a 1, 2, and now we're gonna go. Are we going for Friday's closing price? Selling here. You know, a bit late, my execution. Should have sold down here. This is my last trade for today, if I lose, because I don't have any bullets left. I'm looking at previous days low 31. We are consolidating in a triangle on here. This coming lower, and this pushing higher. One of them has to give. For me, it looks more bearish because of all the wicks down. This is a nice hammer candle here. Let's just hammer it down. We have started the early times of the third hour. And you can see we have an inside bar on the 15-minute. And we are starting to try and push lower. But it's not. Now it is starting to move. So we did close at the low and we are immediately pushing lower. This is very good. Very nice. Third hour coming along and boom. I guess I was just simply too early. And I guess I should have added here as the third hour came. Can now reduce my risk to what it's supposed to be. There we go. Now what I'm waiting for is seeing further follow through all the way to down here. So I can then go to break even and let this little thing run. But look at that. We are getting rejected at the EMA at the closing price. Perfect. It just simply was too early. The correct entry was here, third hour, reversal, dump. A really big dump. So if you go heavy here, you'll be immediately in the money. That'd be great. That would be fantastic. Glad I took the trade. After all, FTSE's not falling through more. A pretty large bear candle. I think this is a measuring gap. So we're gonna at least have a measure move down if this closes as far as it is now, or even if it goes further. Then this is not an exhaustion move. It is start of a move down. Closed here.